So today I'm going to show you how to install the power kit for the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. So first of all, what you're going to want to do is get your power kit. And you're going to want to bend these wires so they're half loop. And let's go ahead and bend the other one so it's a half loop. And now we're going to want, first of all, sorry, the very first thing, if you can, turn the power off to the transformer. That's this guy over here. That is for the doorbell. You want to unplug it or turn the breaker off if your transformer is mounted to the circuit breaker. Or you can go down and disconnect the wires from your transformer. Remember, this is low voltage, so it's not going to hurt you. Too bad. Just kidding. Anyways, so now let's get started. We've got the power off, and what we need to do is, so our first wire says trans on it. So we're gonna find where the transformer is. It's marked as trans, so we're gonna undo the middle one. This is very typical that the middle is usually the transformer. So now let's hook the blue wire that came with the power adapter, and we will, or power kit, sorry. We will go ahead and get that on there. So we got it on. Let's tighten it down. And before we move on, let's go ahead and the wire we just took off is from the transformer. So we're gonna wanna put it into this clip. Sorry if I'm in the way, I didn't mean to be. So what you have to do is, there's two spots. One already has the wire in, and you wanna put it in the other one that doesn't have a wire. So you're gonna have to lift up on this clip as hard as you can until it locks into place. Once it locks into place, you can simply just stick your wire in there, and it's clipped in. It doesn't move, so we're good on that. That was our transformer wire. So now we're gonna take the other one. It says front, and we're gonna do the same thing. So we're gonna unhook front from the terminal on the doorbell. Just unscrew it, straighten that out. Now we're gonna put our front wire on from the power kit. And go like that. And we're going to tighten it down. And now we're going to grab our wire from the front door. We're going to make sure we get the empty socket and push it all the way up until it clicks. And then just simply stick your wire in and push down on it. And now it's nice and secure. Both of them are. And that's it. We have now just installed the power kit. The funner part is now trying to figure out how to fit all this stuff in, because you don't want to put it in the way of these, because that's what hits your doorbell. So on this one, I am going to probably just put them right up next to it, and I'll use a wire tie to keep them away from the mechanical rods that hit the doorbell. Anyways, thanks for watching. That's how you install it. Oh, and then it's safe to go turn back on your circuit breaker, or if you unhooked a wire from your transformer, it's safe to now put the wires back on the transformer. Or if it's unplugged, a plugged-in transformer, you can unplug that as well. Thank you for watching. I have a lot more videos on the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. Until next time.